Hello to everyone, dear friends. First of all, let us express our salutations to our parents and teachers. Without their help, we cannot stand here today as we are. Today, our topic is on this YouTube governments in political sector, how they function, what are the patent rights of the governments, patent signs, what are the qualities of a governmental party to that matter, or a group, a political group, how it functions. So as per the zodiac, governments will form under Pisces Meena Rasi, Tula or Libra Rasi. These two governmental signs have got one specialty, that is a Sattvic Rasi or a positive sign is sitting on the head of these two Rasis, that is Meena or Pisces and Libra or Tula Rasi. If the governments are formed in this Rasi, they enjoy the positive nature that is associated with the work. But the top government functioning and the correct type of administration to majority of extent is seen in Meena Lagna or Meena Rasi or Pisces Rasi. Why? Because that is a Sattvic or a positive sign in the start, and it is also got a 10th house. The work is also connected to Sattvic or a positive sign, which is Sagittarius or Dhanu Rasi, which is also a Guru sign, like the main Rasi of the party, political party, which is as I told you earlier, Meena Rasi or Pisces. So Pisces is having a double Guru benefit. The incorporating sign itself is Pisces, Meena, which is a Guru sign, and the 10th house, the work connected Rasi is also Dhanush or Guru Rasi. So Guru Rasi means wise, positive, being positive, respecting all sections, going in a correct manner with very less chance of corruption. Nowadays, the Kali Yuga, we cannot say, and the government thus formed from the leaders. The leader is in Meena or Pisces or Libra or Tula Rasi, then the government or the party will be led as I told you just a couple of minutes back, in a positive and agreeable way for majority of the masses. But still there are some considerations. As I told you, I have given the first preference to Pisces or Meena Rasi. Pisces or Meena Rasi is also a dual sign, a sign that goes with all people. That is another qualification. The work is also connected with a dual sign, which is Dhanush Rasi, that is also going with all people. Winning of the incorporating sign of Pisces is Simha, which is also a good sign, winning politics by good policies, winning policies in a legislation is with the credibility of being good, positive, uncorrupted, and winning through politics. The Simha Rasi being the sixth house incorporates the reorganization skills of the party with the test of time, and winning through the policy matters of the party in Meena Rasi. So their policies, their resilience, you can say like that, will time and again make them to win over the opposition, because sixth house is the house of victory, which is lauded by Simha or Sun, Simha Rasi or Sun. So they are generally slated to win in politics. But the horoscope of the party people who flock together for the party or the leader must also be very clean. So this is one type of government. And then the next one is based in the changing sign of Libra, which is a Venus Rasi. But the mind of the Libra is third house, is jewel, going with all people once again. And the 10th house is also a positive and a sattvic sign. Do good, be good sign, like Cancer, being like a mother. But it is also a changing sign. So the work is here is a changing sign. So the principles of work may change, the priorities may change. And additionally, this is a money-based sign. The Libra is a money-based sign. Both, of course, Pisces is also money-based, but more so, the Venus sign of Libra is more attached to money. Not only money, but the enjoyment of the rights and the power and status is also very much there for both Pisces, and more so with Tula, Libra. Actually, the four signs from Dhanush to Pisces, they have got the benevolence of attracting power, the chair, and political parties also, political governments also form in the four signs from Dhanush to Pisces. Jayaprakash Narayan, an IAS officer, is in Sagittarius, Dhanush Rasi. No wonder he has come into government service. He was a collector. So on and so forth. As usual, we don't show our face. The moment the face comes, I and my will come, and the quality of research we are giving through these videos will be kept in mind, that true matter will be represented at a highest level. So that is why knowledge has got no boundaries nor any sections. Knowledge has got no favoritism. You can favor me with the WhatsApp number I am showing you. Friends, the Libra government has got the benevolence of good mind of Sagittarius as a third house, working as a mother with the 10th house Karkataka, 7th house with a third eye, which is Mesha Rasi. They have got an intense third eye, more than even the Pisces government. And they are also having one problem, which is being cunning. That is also another problem. But the sign itself, a Tula Rasi or a Venus sign, people said that for ministerialship both Jupiter and Venus are Jupiter and Venus are the planets, but Venus is more having the inclination towards politics. So these two governments are there, and the advantage for the Venus government or in the Tula Rasi is they have got the support of the masses. This is one thing, but they are a bit changing all the time. We have to be careful with the government here. And the problem is the eighth house is house of spoils is money. They take up some policies, sometimes which may not suit all the people. They change the administration at the whims and fancies of their thinking that they are a law by themselves. They act like what you call as intellectuals. So this is one sign where politicians are seen with a previous dabbling in movie field, business lines. So those people come into these sectors, and some politicians also with a basic Venus sign like Libra. There are other two signs which are tamasic, a body nature more, and included with the support of masses in a huge ascendant scale or Lagna scale. I'm talking about Makara Lagna Capricorn government, but their house is changing as the ascendant incorporating sign Makara are also the changing signs. The house of work is also changing, so their policies change, and they vindicate people with the politics also, because eighth house is eighth house is Simha Rasi, so they vindicate people with politics. A tamasic sign, and the expression is also not so good, because the voice of the government is Aquarius, once again Saturn, which is deception. So this is a third category government. Number one is Pisces, number two is Libra, number three is Makara or Capricorn. The Makara people, they appear to be very hearty, as they directly deal with the hearty emotional approach. And of course, now we come to the last stage, last party, which is dictated by the sign Kanya or Virgo. This is the most dangerous type of governments we see. They are indulging in physical violence. They loot money. They tell one thing and do exactly the other thing. They won't stick to the plan or the policy. Their aim is to earn money only, do business. But it depends upon the individual horoscope, who is leading the party. The party is led well by a person with a nice horoscope. Even the Kanya Lagna Virgo governments also will do wonderful work. They also have the sharp administrative skills like Makara, Makara, Meena and Kanya. These three, they have got sharp political skills. But Virgo Lagna governments cannot be believed. They bring all the work to business, and totally it is chaos With these few words, I take leave from you, and I will meet you in another video with another subject. May peace prevail. May you all have good health and wealth. Thank you.